My name is Bhargav, and I would like to demo some of my machine learning skills that I've picked up. First thing that I'm really excited to show you about is DQN learning, which is reinforcement learning that also uses um, neural networks to learn. I've used Keras, TensorFlow from TensorFlow. I'm using a Jupyter Notebook in Python, and I'm also using OpenAI. So here is my simple neural network, which has one input, two output node, and one input node, which is the first layer, and then two processing nodes and one simple output node, which depends on whatever is the environment that I'm using. So let me just build my DQN. I will not show you any training as of now because it takes a while for the training to happen. So I have the values stored. What I will show you right now is the cartpole game, where my agent has learned how to balance a cartpole. Um, so it's really cool with the limited learning and the training that I provided. It did a pretty good job in learning how to balance. Um, um, yeah, so all the zeros are basically left and one is right. So that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna force end this right now if I can, because it goes on for a while. And I want to show you something similar, which is no, I don't want to train on this. It's going to take a while. Okay, so now that I have this train, I would love to take this learning and move towards teaching Flappy Bird how to fly. So I actually already trained my Flappy Bird environment and used the same DQN, just taught it to learn how to play the Flappy Bird game. OpenAI, there you go. Um, I think the Flappy Bird. I think now it'll die. Yeah. So the the only thing it was able to learn with my limited training was that go up and get some rewards. Um, because feed-forward neural network takes time to learn, and I don't have heavy processing power. So I think that's really fun to build. Yeah, I will force quit this. Is handwriting recognition model using Keras. I have, yeah. So this is my convolutional neural network, which has a certain number of dimensions as an input. I have um, a big feed core convolutional neural network that is being set up, which is like input node and then 32 and then max pooling, and then again I do 64 layer and then again max pooling, I flatten it, and then yeah. And the activation function is actually softmax that I've used. And as you can see, the training set, um, like I have a trained data set, and here I'm just reusing my model to identify given images, what number is it. So if you handwrite 5, it identifies that, oh, it's 5. It does a pretty good job. Yeah, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching.